Here we come to the pool elevator at the Comfort Inn off Interstate 15 at exit 239 in Nevada City. Here it is. Of course, got the annoying fan. Go down to the pool. Door close works, I like that. Here we go. Here are at P, the pool. Go to 1. Here are 1. Now let's ride the main elevators. Here's the right one. Of course, these have the annoying fan. Door close does not work on this one. These are older Otis Series 1 from the 80s. This one's a lot slower. 1. There is a bell, there is a chime in the background, you just can't hear it because of the annoying fan. Here are 1, and that's it.